Really want to sit down on these beautiful chairs right here in this beautiful city. Beautiful weather, beautiful people, and you see the streets are clean, nice and shiny. It's kind of rainy, and you see all these horses. I think the government closed this street at night so people can jalan around. But it saddens me, this beautiful weather. Kind of feels sad because it's my last day here in this beautiful city of Yogyakarta, in Indonesia. This looks very inviting to sit here and sip on a cup of Teh Tarik. It's wet, it's been raining all day. Beautiful vibes. What's up, horsey? Excuse me, don't be mad at me, bro. People having fun, live music and everything. But again, it saddens me a little bit because it's my last day here. The guy is singing Susanna, and I'm talking about my last day in Jogja, in this beautiful city. But the only thing that make me a little bit happy, especially that I'm leaving very soon, is because I am back to my favorite country in the world, Malaysia, but it's raining. You see, crazy. Rain or shine, I don't care. Teh Tarik is here to stay. Mama, here I am. Now I gotta run my life. I'm all wet. Guys, even umbrella is not saving me. I mean, jeez. I'm getting destroyed, guys. It's my first day. Why you treat me like this? Teh Tarik, here I come. Mama, here I come. No fear. No fear. No fear. No fear. Yeah. Woo. Thank you, Malaysia. Thank you. Thank you. Go to Mama now. So excited. Be positive. Be positive. Be positive. Mama, Teh Tarik. I love you, Malaysia. They know sky. Oh, that's my heart. What's lots of you to see? Thank you, Kuala Lumpur. Cái